In today's video, I am going to teach you Windows 11 is recording everything you copy. Turn this off. Windows 11 includes a feature called Clipboard History that saves text and images you copy so you can paste them later. And in some cases even sync them across devices. It's handy, but if you'd rather keep what you copy private, you can turn it off and clear what's already saved. I'll guide you through it step by step, and I'll explain what each setting does so you know exactly what you are changing. First, let's stop Windows from collecting new clipboard items. Open the Start menu and type Clipboard Settings. When the Clipboard Settings page opens, find the switch labeled Clipboard History and turn it off. This immediately stops Windows from saving what you copy going forward. Your regular copy and paste will still work exactly the same. You just won't have a running history of past items. Next, clear anything that was already stored. While you are still on the same Clipboard Settings page, look for Clear Clipboard Data and click Clear. This removes previously saved items from the local clipboard history. Think of the toggle you just switched as preventing future saves, and this Clear button as wiping what's already there. Now, let's prevent related settings from syncing to the cloud. Open Settings. Go to Accounts. Then Windows Backup, and choose Remember My Preferences. Uncheck Other Windows Settings. This helps ensure that clipboard-related preferences aren't being synced to your account or OneDrive. If you are aiming for maximum privacy, keeping that box unchecked is a good move. You can always come back and re-enable it later if you change your mind. T here is also a quick way to clear stored items without digging through menus. Press the Windows key and V together to open the clipboard panel. If Clipboard History has items saved, you'll see them listed here. Click Clear All to remove them immediately. This is especially useful if you just copied something sensitive and want to make sure it's gone right away. That's it. Thanks for watching.